Whoa. Whoa. I'm still here. I see a shadow in the pouring rain. Every street is whispering your name. Broken pictures scattered on the floor, but my heart is knocking at your door. If I could turn back time tonight, I'd hold you close and make it right. I'm still holding on to you through the silence we went through. Every scar and every tear only proved you're still right here in the darkness of my soul. You're the fire I can't let go, no matter how the night may move. I'm still living for your love. Every sunrise feels so cold. Empty hands with nothing left to hold. I was blind, I'd let you fall. Now I give my life to save it all. If there's a spark beneath the pain, let it burn us back again. I'm still holding on to you through the silence we went through. Every scar and every tear only proves you're still right here in the darkness of my soul. You're the fire I can't let go, no matter how winds may move. I'm still living for your love. Maybe love is never gone. Maybe we were just too strong to admit we were afraid of the promises we made. I'm still holding on to you like the sky holds on to blue. Every heartbeat, every cry is a promise